AI this and AI that. I mean, we can't run from it. We keep hearing everything about AI, AI, AI. But with all the changes coming down with AI, it makes me think, what are some of those principles that don't change? So in this video, I want to share with you what are several things that don't change so that you can create some stability around that and use that to help you grow yourself and grow your business. Now, AI is a tool, and just like money, it doesn't change you. It only amplifies who you already are and accelerates what you learn and do. I wouldn't get mad at my accountant because they use a calculator to do their services. People shouldn't get mad at somebody else because they're going to use AI to create some images or some video, right? It's a tool. And again, it just amplifies what you already have and who you already are. So again, as you think about it, what are some things that were valuable 100 years ago? What are some things that are still valuable now? And what's something that's going to be valuable 100 years from now? And the first thing that comes to my mind when I think about it is relationships, right? Your ability to connect, to understand, and contribute to other people. That's something that doesn't change. And so with all these changes, think about what are some relationships that I have right now with my family, with my friends, with my team, with those that I work with my clients. Those are meaningful, right? And those are always going to be important. So keep focusing on those relationships. The other thing that seems to not change is a great product or service that creates value. I think it's really easy to overwhelm yourself of all these things that your services doesn't have and all these things that your products don't have, these features. But guess what? Chances are you have some great services, you have some great products, and you have some great customers and clients. Focus on those because what you focus on amplifies. And if you just focus on creating value and helping other people, duplicate, that will start to multiply. So focus on providing a great product or service and adding value to people. The third one is communicate, value, and share. If you have a great product or service, you need to be able to communicate that and you need to be able to share it with others. And hopefully your marketing, you're very open about your freely giving of your knowledge, of your network, of your resources. And once people know that you have a great product or service, they'll probably want to try it out. In fact, the only way people can know that you have a product is if they know about you, they know who you are, they've seen a video of you. So keep creating content, keep creating images or video or posts or emails or whatever that is, and sharing more of what you know with those around you. And lastly, what doesn't change? Your ability to create more than you consume. I think being able to manage the flow of your resources so that you are a creator and not a consumer. Hopefully you're providing more value than you're taking, not only in business, but in life as well. Somebody on your team or a client you work with, you want to be able to create more value than you're taking. And that's the same thing on any team or on any project. You want to be able to create more value, create more resources than what you're taking. So between those four things, when you're getting worried about what AI is going to change and is AI ruining marketing, guess what? It's not going to ruin anything. Focus on those four things that don't change: relationships, creating great product or service, creating and sharing value, and creating more than you consume. If you focus on those four things, you don't really need to worry about the new things that are coming down the pipeline. In fact, I believe you can use AI to help you amplify all four of those things. So if you're interested in this topic, I invite you to watch this next video because we talk about, is AI ruining marketing? And really we talk about how you can leverage that to improve your marketing. So check out that next video and we'll see you on the other side. I'm curious though, these are just four things that I came up with that don't change. What would you add to the list? I'm curious to hear your take, your perspective. So in the comments below, I'd love to hear what else isn't going to change 100 years from now and what else hasn't changed since 100 years ago. So let me know in the comments.